Alright guys, let's talk about something we all dread but need to be prepared for. Handling a ransomware attack like a pro. First things. First, if you detect a ransomware incident, isolate the affected system immediately. Disconnect from the network, disable Wi-Fi, and unplug any external storage devices. The goal here is to prevent the malware from spreading to other systems on your network. Next, you need to identify the type and scope of the ransomware. Check for any ransom notes or files with strange names. This can give you clues about the specific type of ransomware you're dealing with. Now, alert your incident response team. This isn't a one-person job. Bring in your cybersecurity experts and inform upper management. The quicker you assemble your team, the faster you can contain and mitigate the threat. While the team is mobilizing, document everything. Take screenshots, note down error messages, and keep a log of every action taken. This will be invaluable for both recovery and future prevention. If you have backups, this is the time to validate and restore. Verify that your backups are clean and free of malware before initiating the restoration process. Always prioritize critical systems first. Communicate with stakeholders. Transparency is key. Inform your staff, clients, and any other relevant parties about the situation and what steps are being taken to resolve it. Once the immediate threat is contained, perform a full system scan. Use reputable antivirus and anti-malware tools to ensure no remnants of the ransomware remain. This step is crucial to prevent reinfection. Don't forget to report the incident. Depending on the severity, you may need to inform local authorities or industry regulators. Reporting can also help in tracking down the perpetrators. Finally, review and update your security measures. Conduct a thorough post-incident analysis to identify what went wrong and how you can improve your defenses. Regular training and awareness programs are essential. There you have it, a quick, no-nonsense guide to handling a ransomware incident like a pro. Stay vigilant, stay prepared, and you'll be ready to tackle any cybersecurity threat head-on. Until next time, keep your systems safe and secure.